Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos almost every week, sometimes or most of the times twice a week. And obviously, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go and you subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and let's start the video. So today I'm gonna be looking at something I stumbled across on Take a Lot. Yeah, as much as there's a lot of Chinese writing around this box, this is a product I bought locally. I know that's one of the most asked questions. Where did you buy it? Now, I bought it locally. Hopefully by the time you watch this video, this thing is still available because this guy is selling like hot chocolate. Now, without further ado, this right here is a smart flask. Yes, I said it right. It's a smart flask. Now, they are claiming that this little smart flask here, which actually has an LED on top. Let me unbox while I actually speak to you guys, because you guys are gonna kill me down in the comments if I take too long to unbox this thing. Now, this guy comes with an LED on top. Actually, that's the thing that sold me to get it. Obviously, the price also was really good. Okay, no, we're not gonna need the kitchen knife. Also, the price was really good. Links down in the description if you're planning to go and buy one for yourself. So yeah, the price was really good. Got it from Take a Lot, and it comes with an LED display on top. And they're promising that this guy will keep your coffee hot for around 4 hours. And you can also put, let me read some of the description for you guys. Product feature: LCD display to prompt real-time water temperature by touch. 304 stainless steel, safe, BPA free. 12 hours of hot or cold water. 12 hours, that's a lot. Stylish mirror. By touching the LED screen, the internal temperature of the liquid is easy understand. Let me wrote that. And it also said that this is a smart, active living flask bottle that maintains liquid heating above 42 degrees Celsius and for 6 hours, and liquids below 10 degrees Celsius. Now, this is contradictory to what is written actually down here. It's claiming to 12 hours of hot or cold beverages. Oh, I get it. So it's going to keep it at 42 degrees, like that same temperature, without going down or up, for 6 hours. And if you put any other liquid here, it's going to keep it below 10 degrees for 5 hours. Okay, now that we got the basic covered, let's see what's actually inside this. All right. I should actually be used to this, because this is not the first time that I buy something in one color, but when they ship in a totally different color. Now, on Take a Lot, it showed that they had two colors, black and white. Actually, I had put the black on my cart, but a couple of hours later, the black sold out. So I ended up just buying the white one. But anyways, so I wanted to buy the black one, but I ended up buying the white one because the black one sold out. But now we have a stainless steel one. So, all right, what else comes in the box? Actually, that's it. We have plastic and we have the product box here. Now, we do not speak Chinese, unfortunately. Actually, this looks like Japanese. Yeah, this is definitely Japanese. I can tell from the animes that I've been actually watching. It looks kind of familiar. The only thing I can actually read from the box is 500 milliliter stainless steel vacuum flask with LCD temperature display, silver. Now, this guy here also comes with an embedded battery inside. Now, I don't know if the battery is the one that keeps the liquid cool, or actually that would be actually a safe guess. The battery is the one that should keep the liquid cool. Oh, it actually has battery. All right. The battery, I'm guessing the battery is the one that should keep the liquid cool, but then how would you charge the actual battery? Those are questions that I really don't think I'm going to be able to answer in this one video. All right, product specification, product name, installation bottle, English. Insulation bottle, material is ABS stainless steel, size 20 by 6.5 centimeter. Capacity is 500 milliliter, and then you have battery capacity of 1100 milliamp. Now, I really can't tell what this battery is for, but I'm assuming the battery is for you to tell the item that's inside. I think it stopped working. This is going to be oh, there we go. So just in case you're wondering what I'm looking at, come on. All right, there you go. It's 15 degrees inside right now. All right, let's do the first opening. Oh wow, they have a little filter. Nice. This is a little filter. It's written SUS 304, the little filter inside. And then you have this sachet here. I think it's to keep the temperature at a certain degree, I don't know. And that's it. I don't think I can open the bottom. I don't think I can open the top either. Stainless steel flask. All right, so if I had to guess, the only smart part about this smart flask is actually the display itself, which has a temperature or a thermometer that's going to allow you to tell what's the temperature of the liquid that's inside. So let's just test that one out. Let's test if it can actually tell me what's the temperature of the liquid that's inside by pouring some of the hot water that I pre-boiled on the kettle right there. So, all right, as you guys can maybe tell, that's boiling water right there. Okay, let's put the microphone. Oh, it was really gonna be dope if this flask was white. All right, and let's put the little filter back. And let's close it. So the first test is to see if it's going to tell me that the water inside is probably around 100 degrees Celsius, because that's the boiling point of water. All right, so right now is on 37 degrees Celsius. All right, now it's on 80 degrees. So the temperature or the thermometer is actually working pretty well. So right now it's maintaining it around 89, 86 degree, 97 still. So I'm gonna give it a time, maybe 30 minutes or so, to see how this guy will do. So I'll be back in exactly 30 minutes and we're going to end the video right then. So it's been around 40 minutes now, and I was actually just watching some YouTube, and I went also live on my phone, which is there, and I was watching Tato Rampedi playing games. That boy's gonna get addicted. Welcome to the club. Anyways, so it's been almost 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and the flask still says it's on 97 degrees. So since there were no instruction, I didn't really know where to press exactly. I just thought it was the whole screen that you press for the temperature to be shown, but I just also managed to find out that you need to press the top. You press the top, press the top. You press, okay. All right, so you have to press the top or around for the temperature to show, because if you press in the center, actually nothing happens. But wow, come on. Okay, so it's like when it's like this, it doesn't show. But yeah, you have to press around the top for you to be able to tell what the temperature is. So for 40 minutes, it's been on 97 degrees Celsius. I don't think it's going to go any lower than that in the next 4 hours, I'm assuming, but I'm going to keep track of it. I'm probably going to post an update on Instagram by the time you guys see this video. Actually, let me only post the update after I upload the video, so you guys are able to actually go and see what happened after 4-6 hours or even after 12 hours. That's what I'm gonna do. But overall, I actually was thinking that this guy is going to be fully smart with buttons and stuff where you can actually press at what the temperature you want to keep it at. But it's nothing like that. For what it is and what it costs and what it does, I'm happy with it. I'm actually happy with it. And this is actually something you can stunt on your friends with, or just show off a little bit that you have a smart flask. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to Instagram and take some nice picture and stunt on everybody around there. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. My new smart flask. I'm gonna put some tea inside. Actually, I'm going to drain off the water, boil another water, put some tea inside, and I am going to enjoy that tea. This is gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, which I'm actually sure that you did. And also don't forget to click that notification bell button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And I am going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.